So students, we are discuss the some important points for the biotechnology, and these are the southern blotting and DNA fingerprinting. Clear? According to your NCERT book, we are complete your biotechnology. Clear? It means the first genetic engineering and second chapter is the application of biotechnology is complete. But in your 12th class NCERT molecular biology, the DNA fingerprinting are given and the southern blotting is given. In your Rajasthan board book, the DNA fingerprinting and southern blotting also given, and RFLP also given. There are three techniques: southern blotting first, second one is the DNA fingerprinting, and RFLP fragmentation RFLP technique. I discuss here first the blotting technique. I discuss firstly the blotting technique, and in blotting technique what will be happen. You know very well that firstly we are isolate in a our technology process, we are isolate the DNA. We are isolate the DNA firstly, and these DNA are break with the cut with the particular RE enzyme. So firstly, the purified DNA are obtained, then with the help of the RE enzyme we are fragment the DNA. So due to the presence of the RE enzyme activation, the different type of the fragments are observed present, and these fragments are known as the DNA fragments. And after that, we are utilize the electrophoresis process for the recognition of the particular DNA fragment on the basis of their size. Clear? So in a electrophoresis process, the DNA are separate on the basis of their size, and the small DNA fragment are moved at the run toward the longer distance, and the bigger size of the DNA fragment are present near about the well. Clear? In a electrophoresis process. But here we obtain the DNA band pattern when we are insert this gel into the UV rays and EBR dye, staying with the EBR dye, we obtain the picture of this gel and we obtain the DNA band pattern. But it is typical to obtain the DNA similar process, obtaining the DNA as a similar complete form from the gel to a solid surface, because you know very well the DNA are present inside the gel, and we cut the particular band and then again isolate the DNA for the process that we have discussed our desired DNA. That process known as the elution. When we cut a part of the gel but for a particular DNA, that known as the elution. But I obtain here the complete segment, the complete DNA pattern in a solid surface. How it is possible? Because gel is fragile, gel is brittle or fragile, and due to this reason gel will break down earlier. So it is not possible to obtain the DNA easily to the solid surface. Then we are required the blotting technique. What the blotting technique? It means blotting technique a process by which we obtain the DNA from the gel to a floating membrane. What is the blotting? Blotting is a process by which obtaining the DNA from the gel to a floating membrane, that is known as the blotting process. And this process if occur for the DNA, that is southern blotting, then it occur for the RNA, northern blotting, and occur for the protein, that is the western blotting. There are three types of blotting: southern, northern, or western. Southern for DNA, northern for RNA, and western for the protein. Clear? But here for the DNA, because the first technique, blotting technique discovered by the southern, EM Southern, scientists that discovered the blotting technique in 1975, on the basis of their name, respect for the name, they began the blotting technique. The northern and western blotting technique are developed by the RNA and protein by different scientists, but the first blotting technique is discovered by the southern, so it is known as the southern technique, and it is identify the DNA segments, particular DNA segment. Clear? So we are discussing here the blotting technique. Clear? So first we discuss the blotting technique. What is the blotting? Clear? In our syllabus the blotting is present, but first thing is what is the blotting technique. Clear? In this method, we discuss here in this method, after obtaining DNA fragment on agarose gel by electrophoresis process. Clear? We had discussed earlier what is the electrophoresis. We obtain the DNA fragments and segments in the gel form. They are stabilized by the transferring. They are stabilized because in gel they are not stabilized. So we are stabilizing these by transferring to the nitrocellulose filter paper. By transferring nitrocellulose filter paper or nylon sheet. Clear? They are then identified with the DNA probe by hybridization. Clear? This technique is known as called as blotting technique. Very simple process. We are here utilize the first and second step of the recombinant DNA technology. In first step, we isolate the DNA, verify the DNA, and second, the identification of the desired DNA with the help of the electrophoresis. So electrophoresis is here required. After the electrophoresis, blotting starts after the electrophoresis. So firstly, electrophoresis is acquired, and due to the electrophoresis, we obtain the bend pattern in the electrophoresis gel, particularly agarose gel. We utilize the agarose gel, but gel is fragile or brittle. Fragile means easily टूट जाता है, उठा नहीं सकते उसको हम लोग. तो DNA क्या होगा? आइसोलेट नहीं होगा. So this DNA is transfer. Why we transfer? For the isolation. Why we transfer? For isolation. So this DNA transfer to a nitrocellulose filter paper, or we can say nylon sheet, or we can say nylon sheet. That procedure is known as the blotting. Membranes, where in some books the name is the floating membrane. Nylon sheet is a floating membrane, or nitrocellulose filter paper means it like paper that absorb the water. I explained earlier this type of technique. मैं सिंपल समझा देता हूँ आपको. अगर मेरे पास एक टेबल पर वाटर ड्रॉप या इंक डल जाती गलती से, मान लीजिए मैंने पेपर पे डाला, तो हम उसको कैसे वो साफ करते हैं. अगर मैं उसको साफ करूँगा तो क्या होगा, पूरा स्प्रेड हो जाएगा, फैल जाएगा. कपड़े से साफ करेंगे तो क्या करते हैं उसके लिए, जहाँ पर डॉट है, जहाँ पे ड्रॉप है इंक की या वाटर की, क्या किया मैंने, जो न्यूज़पेपर होता है उसको रख दिया इसके ऊपर. ठीक है, मान लीजिए मेरे हाथ पे यहाँ पे वाटर ड्रॉप है, अब मुझे हटाना है. ये चौक लिया मैंने, उसको ऊपर रख दिया. चौक क्या करेगा, इट एब्जॉर्ब द वाटर, कर लेगा उधर को, इंक को एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगा. कॉटन है, आपका सेलुलोज का फिल्टर पेपर है, ब्लोटिंग पेपर या फिल्टर पेपर जैसे होता है, फिल्टर पेपर है, स्पंज है. सो दे एब्जॉर्ब the DNA. So same thing here, the nylon sheet absorb the DNA inside. Clear? And why they absorb? Due to presence of the alkaline solution, because when we are after the formation of DNA pattern in gel, we have placed the gel into the NaOH solution, alkaline solution, and into the alkaline solution, the DNA is denatured and it is a single stranded. So, in a nylon sheet, the DNA present in single strand, but in gel, it presents in double strand. It is question for medical exam. In nylon sheet, in nitrocellulose filter paper, the floating membrane, the DNA present in a single stranded due to the alkaline solution, but in the gel, the DNA is present in double stranded form. Clear? After the DNA absorbed by the floating membrane, and then we have hybridized this DNA with the help of the probe, radioactive probe, and the hybridization occur, and after that, when we start the autoradiography, we obtain the dots of the desired DNA segment. That is the process known as the blotting technique. Clear? So, here the definition of the blotting technique, clear? And on the basis of their material, the blotting technique may be three types. On the basis of blotting technique are three types. On the basis of the material, it one is the first, the southern blotting. First one is the southern blotting. It is proposed by the MEM Southern scientist, and this is known as the DNA. It is for the DNA. Here material is DNA. So the particular sequence or DNA are separated by the help of the southern blotting, and it discovered by the EM Southern in 1975. Clear? After that, the second blotting is discovered by the Thain and al. Between the scientist Thain et al. And 1979, and it is discovered the desired protein segments. So it is known as the western blotting. Second one is the western. First one is the southern for DNA, western for the protein, and third one is the northern blotting for RNA. And it is discovered by the Alvin et al. 1979. So the southern blotting, northern blotting, western blotting. Southern for DNA, northern for RNA, western for protein. So here I mentioned a simple type: southern, northern, or western. These are three types of the blotting: DNA, RNA, protein. The S and W DRP. Southern for DNA, northern for RNA, western for protein. Similarly, S and W DRP. Clear? So we have discussed like this. Yeah, we have memorized like this step: S and W DRP. Clear? So there are three types of the technique: blotting technique, southern blotting for DNA, northern blotting for RNA, and western blotting the protein. In medical exam, the match the column. The question from this blotting technique, the match the column, and there are three techniques are given: 1, 2, 3, and scientist name and their material, and match the column. So always southern for DNA, Southern et al., Edward Southern, scientist name Southern, EM Southern. Northern for RNA, Alvin, and western for protein by Thain et al. Clear? So that is the blotting technique. When after that we have discussed one by one: southern blotting, then western blotting, then northern blotting. The first southern blotting for the DNA. Clear? We have discussed here one by one. So first we discuss the southern blotting. It is the first. Make the first number. That is the southern blotting, and it discovered the firstly in 1975 by the Edwin Southern. Clear? What is southern blotting? Southern blotting, a southern blotting, a process of blotting and DNA segment of blot. A southern blot is a method used in molecular biology for the detection of a specific DNA sequence in a DNA sample. So very clearly here explained that in a complete DNA, how it is possible that we are detect a specific sequence of the DNA. So here detection of a specific DNA sequence, complete DNA, out of the complete DNA we are detect a particular specific sequence of the DNA, that is known as the Southern blotting, and that point is known as the Southern blot, particular sequence. Next is the Southern blotting. Definition is complete definition is Southern blotting combines transfer of the genotrophosis separated DNA. Combined transfer of the heterophosis, because we are separate the DNA with the help of heterophosis. DNA fragments to a filter membrane, or we can say floating membrane, filter paper, or floating membrane, and subsequent fragment detected by the. So this is very filter membrane means nitrocellulose filter paper, or we are doing floating. We are mentioning here floating membrane and subsequent, here mentioned the subsequent fragment, and these segments detection by the probe hybridization. Probe hybridization involves the non-DNA active radioactive isotopes, and that is known as the DNA fragment detection by the probe hybridizations. Clear? So that is the definition of actual definition of the Southern blotting. Clear? The name of the Southern blotting, how we given the name? The method is named after its inventor. Who invented the Southern blotting? A British scientist, British biologist Edwin Southern in 1975. Clear? That is the definition of the Southern blotting. After that, we have discussed the mechanism of the Southern blotting. After that, we have discussed the mechanism of the Southern blotting. You know very well what is Southern blotting? Very simple. A electrophoresis process, electrophoresis product, it means DNA band pattern, is obtained, is transferred to a nylon sheet, a nitrocellulose paper, a floating membrane. That is blotting technique. Clear? And for DNA, that is known as the Southern blotting. Clear? And then we discuss after that the procedure of the Southern. So it is the method of the Southern blotting. In this method, in Southern blotting method, firstly DNA isolated from any source. We isolate the DNA from any source, it may be plant source, bacterial source, animal source. We obtain the DNA, and this DNA is purified DNA. So similarly, according to our technology, when we desire DNA, we isolate the DNA and purify the DNA. The identification, purification, isolation and purification. Clear? Then it cleaves with the RA enzyme. Okay, a particular RA enzyme. The RA enzyme may be one or more than one. And after that, genotrophosis. उसके बाद क्या किया? Genotrophosis कर दिया. So due to the genotrophosis, the DNA run in gel and make the band pattern. Clear? The DNA bands, here mentioned the DNA bands pattern present in the gel, but gel is the fragile. There is a fragile, or we can say brittle. Brittle means easily break होने वाला. Brittle. So transfer of the DNA in solid surface. So requirement, we can say, so transfer of the DNA in solid surface is required. Transfer of the DNA to solid surface is required. Clear? The transfer of the DNA, here I can mention the transfer of DNA from the gel to blotting membrane, nylon sheet or nitrocellulose paper. So, the transfer of the DNA from gel to blotting membrane we transfer, and for this transfer procedure we are obtain gel and a glass site. Clear? Lower the gel we obtain a glass sheet, and then after that the gel we are obtain, and after that we utilize the नाइट्रॉन सेल्यूलोज पेपर. मतलब सबसे पहले क्या है, ग्लास शीट है, उस पर जेल है, एंड देन उसके ऊपर क्या डाला हमने, नायलॉन शीट पेपर डाल दी. क्लियर है? आफ्टर दैट उस पर क्या किया हमने, एब्जॉर्बेंट. एब्जॉर्बेंट मीन्स होता है जो उस सॉल्यूशन को, एल्कलाइन सॉल्यूशन को एब्जॉर्ब करेगा. बिकॉज द डीएनए इज नॉट मूव, इट इज कंपल्सरी, डीएनए इज नॉट मूव टुवर्ड द नाइट्रोजन सेल्यूलोज मेंबर. जो डीएनए आएगा नाइट्रोजन सेल्यूलोज पेपर आएगा, नाइट्रोजन सेल्यूलोज पेपर ऊपर नहीं जाएगा. बट द एल्कलाइन सॉल्यूशन आर मूव फ्रॉम द डीएनए नाइट्रोजन सेल्यूलोज पेपर. सो absorbent is present and that absorb the solution, but DNA is not DNA is enter into the nylon sheet, but it is not enter into the absorbent. Clear? And a weight, we are a weight for the passing the nylon sheet and absorbent, and after some time the complete DNA is transferred gel to membrane, floating membrane and nylon sheet. After that we are utilize the drying the sheet with the high temperature, about the 80 temperature we are drying the sheet, and then we are utilize the hybridization process with the help of the radioactive probes. Okay. So, here the transfer of the DNA from the gel to blotting membrane, and these membrane is the blotting membrane, the nylon sheet or nitrocellulose filter paper, nitrocellulose filter paper. So, this is known as the blotting technique. Clear? Next one, due to the presence of the alkaline solution, which one solution? Alkaline, NaOH, sodium oxide, NaOH solution, it is responsible for the denaturation of the DNA. Denaturation of DNA. Due to the presence of the alkaline solution, the dsDNA in gel, because the gel contains the dsDNA, but membrane sheet contains the ssDNA. So, where is, how it possible? Because we are transferring the gel into the alkaline solution, and that time the alkaline solution is break the hydrogen bonds and DNA denature. So, dsDNA is converted to the ssDNA. dsDNA converted to the ssDNA, and due to this reason the gel contains the dsDNA, but nylon sheet, the floating membrane is contain only ssDNA. It is differentiate between the gel and floating membrane DNA. Clear? Due to the presence of the alkaline solution is responsible for the denaturation of the DNA. So, blotting membrane absorb only ssDNA. ssDNA means single stranded DNA. It means single strand DNA. Clear? It observe only single stranded DNA. So, what is the difference between the gel DNA and blotting DNA? The pattern is same. Pattern is the same. Both types of DNA pattern is the same, but in gel the DNA is a dsDNA, double stranded DNA, but in the nylon sheet it is a ssDNA. Clear? That is the differentiation between the gel and nylon sheet or floating membrane DNA. Clear? After that, we are discussing here. After that, the desired DNA, means जो DNA segment था हमारे पास, बच्चों, उसको हमने क्या किया, NOH से ब्रेक कर लिया, it is single stranded. तो we can say on the presence of alkali solution, the dsDNA converted to the ssDNA, and this ssDNA is absorbed by the blotting membrane. So, here DNA does not cross the blotting membrane. DNA does not cross the blotting membrane, whereas the alkaline solution cross the membrane, and this alkaline solution absorbed by the absorbent. Another paper absorbent present on a nylon sheet, and this absorbent absorbs the alkaline solution. Clear? The DNA bending pattern, here it is a very important character. The DNA bending pattern on the blotting membrane and in gel is same. DNA bending pattern is same in the blotting membrane or in gel is the same, but the DNA is different type. But DNA is SS and DS respectively. Clear? Here two type of DNA are present in the different condition. First, in gel the DNA is DS DNA. Clear? And in blotting membrane it is SS DNA. So, we can say that DS DNA when enter into the blotting membrane, then it converted to the SS DNA with the presence of the alkaline solution. Clear? Here next one is the blotting membrane. The blotting membrane after that is heated for the dryness, 88 degree heated and for the some time and treated with the UV rays. Clear? So, it is the pattern, and after the drying the blotting membrane, then it is treated with the probes, and the probe are hybridized with the desired DNA or particular DNA segment, and after the rotoradiography this DNA segment are represented on the photographic film. Clear? Now, we can say after the blotting membrane, after that the blotting membrane treated with the probes. It is very important, treated with the probe. You know what is the probe? Non-DNA segment. Probe for the hybridization. Clear? After hybridization, you can say after that the detection of the hybridized DNA, because probe attached with the complementary DNA segment. So, after the detection of the hybridized DNA, the fragments by autoradiography. So, with the help of the probe and autoradiography, we are identify the particular DNA segment, hybrid DNA segment. Clear? The hybrid DNA are showing on autoradiograph. The mechanism name is autoradiography, and a picture is shown on this by this method, autoradiograph. This is showing on the autoradiograph, and this autoradiograph is a photographic film. Clear? So, due to this procedure, we obtain the desired DNA segment. Here we have a particular DNA segment on the complete DNA. That is Southern blotting. The first isolated DNA, then RNA enzyme utilized, then autophasis, then nitrogen membrane, then hybridized with the probe, and then obtain the photographic film. Clear? So, I explain with the help of diagram according to your book. That is the first one is that is a DNA. It is a DNA of any source. Clear? It is DNA. Which one DNA? Isolated DNA. Isolated and purified DNA. Clear? It is isolated and purified DNA, and this DNA is DS. Which type DNA? It is another DS DNA. And with the help of the RE enzyme, we have utilized the RE enzyme, the cleavage with RE enzyme. Here the number of RE enzyme may be 1 or 2, may be differ. RE enzyme. Then we obtain the segment of like this. They are DNA segment. They are DNA fragments, known as the DNA fragments. These fragments are the different length and different size. Clear? And after the obtaining the DNA fragments, the next procedure is known as the electrophoresis. Because next procedure is known as the electrophoresis. So, electrophoresis, which is known as the gel electrophoresis. And we are utilizing here agarose gel. Which gel? Generally agarose gel. And in the gel we obtain the DNA pattern like this. Clear? And in gel the well are present here. Well is a negative join and it is a positive, and here we obtain the different bands like this. Clear? So these are known as the DNA band pattern. DNA bands. Clear? After that we are transfer this gel and then we utilize the nylon sheet. So in next diagram we explain here like this. Here we utilize a glass sheet. We utilize a glass sheet for the supporting. This is a glass sheet for the supporting the gel, and after that we are place the gel, and this is our gel. This is the gel. After that, nitrocellulose filter paper or nylon sheet. After that, we have utilized the absorbent. A absorbent. Then it is the absorbent. And after that we are placing a weight for the pressing of the sheet on gel. and it is filled with a solution that is known as NaOH solution. Clear? So here these are the four things. First, the weight, it is the absorbent tissue, because the alkali solution are moved toward the upper side. Then this one is the nitrocellulose filter paper, or we can say it may be nylon sheet. This one is the gel foam, gel electrophoresis. And this one is the Guerra support plate. Glass support plate, and it one is inside the solution is the alkaline solution. It is the alkaline solution. So in your book this diagram is given, and I draw this diagram here and explain the first the DNA, then DNA cleavage, isolate the DNA and purify the DNA, then DNA cleavage with the RE enzyme, one or two RE enzyme or one or more RE enzymes, and then we obtain the different type of the fragments of the DNA. After that we apply the electrophoresis process, and it is electrophoresis, and in minus and positive negative zones it is the agarose gel. Here we can say gel electrophoresis. Gel electrophoresis is known as gel electrophoresis, and these are the band pattern. It is the valves. These are known as the valve. Clear? After that, when the gel is completely done on electrophoresis and we obtain the band pattern on the gel, then we apply the gel in this type of instruments, and then in lower side a glass plate is present, because we are given the weight, then gel, then nitrogen membrane, then absorbent, and then weight. And do the weight, the complete DNA pattern is moved gel to nitrocellulose filter paper or nylon sheet, a blotting sheet, completely move, and then we obtain the complete DNA in membrane. After that we are dry the membrane with the help of the heated 80 degree temperature and treated with the UV rays. And after that, after this processing, the sheet are treated with the probe. Here I mention another a diagram. Here it is a sheet, nitrocellulose filter sheet. Clear? It contains the band pattern like this, and it treated with the probe solution. So we can say blotting membrane, filter with the DNA fragments, okay, blotting membrane hybridized with the labeled DNA probe. We can say first blotting membrane, with the DNA fragment, with the DNA fragments. So here we remove the procedure, we are using a procedure with DNA fragments positioned identically. To that in gel. It means the pattern of these band is similar to the gel. So I mentioned a bigger diagram, sorry, like this. This is a blotting membrane, and this membrane contains the same band pattern similar to the here. So one it contains the same band pattern similar to the gel pattern. Clear? So I explained earlier that the here in reference the DNA is DS. Here DNA is DS type, and here in gel the DNA is these bands are the DNA bands pattern, and here the DNA is, we can see DNA is ssDNA. Which one DNA? ssDNA. Clear? And after that we hybridize this DNA. After that we hybridize this DNA. Hybridize with this DNA. The mention here hybridize with the labeled DNA probe, with the labeled DNA probe. Clear? And then we obtain, after the hybridization, a sheet, this sheet, and then we obtain only few hybridized DNA segments like this, this, and it is known as the autoradiograph. Autoradiograph showing hybrid DNA, showing hybrid DNA. Clear? So that is the process, complete process for the isolation to DNA to mature. Last step we obtain the hybrid DNA. So in this process similar to the our technology, we have discussed the electrophoresis. Then this is process known as blotting, it is electrophoresis, and this process known as the blotting. This process known as the blotting, and because this is the DNA, for the DNA, so it is southern blotting. Clear? And after the sheet present and the DNA transfer on the nano sheet, then we obtain the automatic hybrid DNA. Clear? So please note it. So students, after the southern blotting, we have discussed the next point, that is the northern blotting. The second point, that is northern blotting and northern blotting. This discovered by the Alvin, and southern blotting for the DNA, and this is the blotting for RNA. This one is the for RNA. Clear? It discovered by the Alvin, the scientist name, in 1979, and transfer RNA fragments after gel electrophoresis on a aminobenzyl oxymethyl paper instead of the nitrocellulose paper. So, here the scientists change the membrane. Here the floating membrane or blotting membrane, so you can say here the blotting membrane is changed. Clear? Here the blotting membrane is changed, and this blotting membrane and replaced by nitrocellulose membrane replaced by the aminobenzyl after oxymethyl paper. In previous we discussed the in southern blotting nitrocellulose filter paper. In RNA it is utilized the northern blotting aminobenzyl oxymethyl paper. Clear? So, the name is ABOM. ABOM paper, amino, A for amino, B for benzyl, O for oxy and methylene paper. Clear? Or it is also known as the OBM. In your book it is given the OBM. OBM papers. OBM means oxymethyl blotting membrane. O for oxylomethylene, B for blotting, M for membrane, the OBM instead of the nitrocellulose paper. And this technique is known as the northern blotting. Clear? What are the difference? May two difference represent. First, Alvin, name of scientist, name of discoverer, name of the inventor, and second, the membrane. In southern blotting, that is required the nitrocellulose filter paper, but here we required the OBM. Clear? Next one is the next one is the Western blotting. The third number is Western blotting. And Western blotting, it means it is for the protein, for proteins. For proteins. Clear? Western blotting, the for proteins. In 1979, here we mentioned that in 1979, Twain et al., the name of scientist is Twain et al., they separate the protein into polypeptide. They separate protein into polypeptide from first time with the help of sodium dodecyl sulfate. It is very important. Sodium dodecyl sulfate. So, they are polypeptides. The protein are made of the polypeptide chain, and these are separate the polypeptide chain with the help of the sodium dodecyl sulfate, and then they transfer the nylon membrane. So, here nylon membrane is required, but before this process, the separation of the chemical sodium dodecyl sulfate. Clear? And after that, with the help of the autoradiography, the proteins are identified on X-ray plate. Clear? So, same thing a photographic plate. So, these are the three techniques of the blotting technique. So, I understand. Clear? So, I explain what is the blotting technique, what is the southern blotting, what is the northern blotting, and what is the western blotting. Clear? So, I think you understand very well these blotting technique, because these techniques are required in your DNA fingerprinting process. Next topic. So, we have compared here the three types of the conditions for southern blotting SB, northern blotting NB, and western blotting WB. If compare when with these three conditions, southern blotting, northern blotting, and western blotting, when we are compare, then the simple form it is cut by the E southern. It is cut by Which one? Alvin et al. What the meaning of the et al? Et al means more than one scientist, more than two scientists. Alvin et al. It means more than two scientists are present, known as the Alvin et al. And here the which one? Tobin et al. Clear? First point. Second one is it is for DNA RNA. So what is for DNA? Yeah, for DNA, for RNA, and for protein. Clear? Third difference, nitrocellulose filter paper required here, in which OBN, oxymethyl protein membrane required, and here the chemical sodium rhodesiles. Sulfate. Clear? In southern blotting, we are utilizing the alkaline solution for the separation. Here, the separation, the sodium rhodesiles required, and nitrocellulose paper. Clear? Clear? So here NaOH. Here similar standard is not required, and here the sodium rhodesial sulfate required for the separation of the polypeptide chain. So these are the comparison of the three types of technique: southern blotting, northern blotting, and western blotting. Clear? Please note it.